The influence of music on human mind. One of the first things that happens when music enters our brain is the triggering of pleasure centers that release dopamine, a neurotransmitter that makes you feel happy. This response is so quick that the brain can even anticipate the most pleasurable peaks in familiar music and prime itself with an early dopamine rush. What music is the best? Music,
I'm sorry,
tone,
that is
note,
dopamine. Dopamine,
Dopamine.
yeah.
dopamine.
Mm.
Yes.
What music is the best? Music notes turns out whether it is rock and roll, jazz, hip hop, or classical. Your brain's gray matter prefers the same music you listen to. It depends on your personal background. For one, researchers believe that classical music makes you smarter, but not necessarily, uh, which is called Mozart effect, but not necessarily. In recent studies, they found that people with dementia respond better to the music they grew up with. If you play someone's favorite music, different parts of the brain lights up. That means memories associated with music are emotional memories, which never fade out, even in Alzheimer patients. Music can 1. Jumpstart your creativity. Listen to what your kids or grandkids listen to. Experts suggest. Often we continue to listen to the same songs we grew up with, and we generally avoid hearing the new songs. New music challenges our brain in a different way. It might not feel pleasurable at first, but that unfamiliarity forces the brain to struggle to understand the new music. 2. Recall a memory from long ago. Reach the familiar music, especially if it stems from the same time period that you are trying to recall. Listening to a specific song might bring you to might bring you back to the first moment you laid eyes on love of your life, for instance. 3. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body reacts to different forms of music and pick the kind of it works for you. What helps one person to concentrate might be distracting for another one, and what helps one person unwind might make another person jumpy. Other effects and benefits of music are change your ability to perceive time, tap into primal fear, reduce seizures, make you a better communicator, make you stronger, boost your immune system, assist in repairing brain damage, make you smarter, evoke memories, and help Parkinson's patients.
Mm-hmm.
Finish.
Okay.
Yeah, finish.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. I enjoyed it, and also particularly from a person who is a musician herself. So